This motorcycle comes in three main variants: the standard GB350, the sportier GB350S, and the GB350C with a more classic retro style. The GB350S variant gets new color options like pearl deep mud gray, black and blue. The new GB350C variant features a deeper fender design, a chrome Cabden-type exhaust, and premium color options like matte sandstorm beige. The LED headlight range on the GB350C model has been revised for better nighttime visibility. The GB350S was a true novelty when it first came out. It was inspired by the GB400 or 500 of the 1980s, a type of cafe racer-style motorcycle that paid homage to British single-cylinder sports bikes. Honda Selectable Torque Control, a traction control system to maintain stability on slippery road surfaces. Dual-channel ABS braking is standard for both front and rear wheels. With its perfectly vintage design, simplicity, and fun, unmistakable approach to the pleasure of riding, this Honda immediately caught the eye. It's been around for several years, where it's been a huge success since its debut as the CB350. This motorcycle is equipped with modern safety features, such as the assist and slipper clutch, which makes the clutch lever pull lighter and prevents the rear tire from locking during sudden downshifts. Features main specifications engine 348cc, SOHC2 valve, air-cooled maximum power 21 horsepower at 500 revolutions per minute maximum torque, 30 Newton meters at 3,000 RPM maximum speed, 80 miles per hour. The classic-style single-cylinder engine, mounted almost vertically, features mechanically processed cooling fins. It's not overdone, it's naturally beautiful.